Welcome back to Parksville Splashes. I'm Natalie, and I am pleased and excited to present a new line exclusive to Splashes Bath and Kitchen, Villeroy and Boch. Villeroy Boch was established in 1748. It boasts Europe's #1 selling line in bathroom and tableware. Speaking of tableware, many of you might be more familiar with the name Villeroy Boch if you have purchased their fine china tableware and stemware. They have recently introduced their same quality china in a bathroom collection with the technology meant for a North American market. The Villeroy Boch line, available through Splashes Bath and Kitchen, features vanities like this 31-inch Venticello, toilets, sinks, medicine cabinets, lit mirrors with all the fine quality that comes with Villeroy.